Hey everybody! Let's meet our new friend, Giving Goldman. Giving Goldman starts with G. 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 Can you say G? G. Great job! Next, let's learn the Giving Goldman pose. Follow me. Good. Good. Giving Goldman. Good. Good. Giving Goldman. Can you do it? Good. Good. Giving Goldman. Great job! Next, let's write big G. Follow me. 1, 2. Good. Good. Giving Goldman. One more time. 1, 2. Good. Good. Giving Goldman. Great job! Let's write little g. Follow me. 1, 2. Good. Good. Giving Goldman. One more time. 1, 2. Good. Good. Giving Goldman. Great job! Who is it? Good. Good. Giving Goldman. G. Good. Good. Giving Goldman. G. Let's say goodbye to Giving Goldman. Goodbye, Giving Goldman. See you next time.